Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to search components in Proteus. This is a very easy way. You can learn very easy and very quickly. First of all, I'll guide you what is Proteus. Proteus is actually a software where you can design your electrical circuit, and after that you can convert that circuit into PC layout, and then you can create the fabrications. So here I'll guide you how to find out components in a Proteus front view layout. So first of all, you will click on this sort of icon. This is a component mode. When you will enter on the component mode, then you can see here this P and this is L in the device view. You will click on the P. When you will click on the P, this is the search bar where you can find out and search out your components here. And when I will search for LED, you can see here are number of LEDs are present. You will click on the generic light emitting diode, and then you will click on the OK. When you will click OK, you can see this is a pen. It is showing here, and you should click twice on this board, and your component will be appear here. Yes, this is your diode. This is your LED light emitting diode. Got it? Now I will search for the second component. Again, I will click on the P, and here I will search for length. Then I will enter LAMP. Length. Here you can see this is the lamp, and again lamp light bulb is also here. Neon indicator lamp is here. So animated light bulb, I will click OK, and then I will click here on the dashboard two times. So this is the your second component that I have searched it out here. And the third one, I will search for a resistor. For resistor, I will enter MINRES, MINRES, MINRES. When I will enter on the MINRES, you can see there is a 100 kilo 0.05 watt resistor. When I will click here, you can see the resistor will be shown here, right? And I will click on the OK, and now I can enter. Then I will double click here, and your resistor will appear here. Got it? Again, I will search for capacitor. I will write it down here, capacitor, right, and I will enter. You can see there are number of capacitor here. Then I will click here OK, and the capacitor will appear here. Next one, if I am gonna to search for is search for V sign, then AC source will appear here, and I will click on the AC source, double here, and it will appear here. Next one, if I want to search for IC, then if I want to search for PIC, PIC 16F877A, then you can say here is your PIC IC. Got it? If you want to search for grounds, it is very easy. You can search ground from this bar, right? So ground will be here. This is the ground, and you can enter for ground here. If you want to search for voltmeter, ammeter, DC, AC voltmeter, DC, AC voltmeter, then you will click on the virtual instrument mode, and you will see here is the oscilloscope, DC voltmeter. So I will click for the oscilloscope here, and this is oscilloscope. Second one, signal generator. This is the signal generator for you. The next one, the DC voltmeter. DC voltmeter will be here. You can search from this bar and you can search from component bar here easily. So this was the today's tutorial, and if it is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please stay tuned with my channel and get new video that will upload very soon. Thank you very much.